Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tasmi Akhtar. Welcome to my demo class. Today I will talk about data structure. Firstly, we have to know what is data structure. Data structure means how we can arrange is called data structure. Time and space is needed. In computer programming, a data structure is a predefined format for efficiently storing, accessing, and processing data in a computer program. Some data structures are a programming language built-in component and others may require the inclusion of a library or module before the structure can be used. Types of data structure. There are two types of data structure: linear data structure and non-linear data structure. Firstly, we will talk about linear data structure. There are four types of linear data structure: array data structure, stack data structure, queue data structure, and the last one, linked list data structure. Array data structure. In an array, elements in memory are arranged in continuous memory. All the elements of an array are of the same type, and the type of the elements that can be stored in the form of arrays is determined by the programming language. Array is zero-based data structure. Here is the example: 2 1 5 3 4. These are the numbers, and 0 1 2 3 4. These are the arrays. Now I will talk about stack data structure. In stack data structure, elements are stored in the LIFO principle. That is, the last element stored in a stack will be removed first, last in, first out. It works just like a pile of plates where the last plate kept on the pile will be removed first. Here is the example. Now I will talk about queue data structure. Unlike stack, the queue data structure works in the FIFO principle, where first element stored in the queue will be removed first, first in, first out. It works just like a queue of people in the ticket counter, where first person on the queue will get the ticket first. Here is the example. Linked list data structure. In linked list data structure, data elements are connected through a series of nodes, and each node contains the data items and addresses to the next node. Linear search. It searches through the array or list from the beginning to the end. Every element in the array or list is compared to the element that needs to be searched. It goes till the end of the list. Here is the example. Now I will talk about nonlinear data structure. Unlike linear data structure, elements in nonlinear data structures are not in any sequence. Instead, they are arranged in a hierarchical manner where one element will be connected to one or other elements. Nonlinear data structures are further divided into graph and tree-based structures. There are two types of nonlinear data structure: graph data structure and tree data structure. Graph data structure. In graph data structure, each node is called vertex and each vertex is connected to other vertex through edges. Example, here the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The numbers are the nodes and the blue line are the edges. Trees data structure. Similar to a graph, a tree is also a collection of vertices and edges. However, in tree data structure, there can only be one edge between two vertices. Here is the example. Binary search. The array is to perform binary search on should be sorted. The position of the element of to be searched is found by the first finding middle element. The middle element is the average of the first index and last index of the array or list. Here is the example. Linear data structure versus non-linear data structure. Now we will know about the differences between them. In linear data structure, the data items are arranged in sequential order one after another. On the other hand, in nonlinear data structure, the data items are arranged in non-sequential order, hierarchical manner. In linear data structure, all the items are present on the single layer. On the other hand, in nonlinear data structure, the data items are present at the different layers. In linear data structure, it can be traversed on a single run, but in nonlinear data structure, it requires multiple runs. In linear data structure, the memory utilization is not efficient, but on the other hand, in nonlinear data structure, different structures utilize memory in different efficient ways depending on the need. In linear data structure, the time complexity increases with the data size, but in nonlinear data structure, time complexity remains the same. Linear data structure examples are array, stack, queue, and the nonlinear data structure examples are tree, graph, and map. Why data structure? Knowledge about data structures helps us to understand the working of each data structure, and based on that we can select the right data structures for project. This helps us to write video and time efficient code. Thank you everyone.